Hi, I am a chip. To be a chip front end, do you know what X experience? Silicon is sand that is the cornerstone of semiconductor industry. By processing billions of sand grain, can one obtain a high-purity monocrystalline silicon rod, then cut it to a sheet between 0.5 to 1.5 mm, which is the well-known silicon wafer. To trace the manufacturing process and avoid mistakes, laser marks an unique mark to distinguish every wafer, barcode, or data matrix on different semiconductor materials can be marked on wafer of different size and high precisions. After photolithography, etching, cleaning, injection, and other process, laser will mark the designed circuit diagram on the wafer. After hundreds of processes and above overlapping, 12 inches wafer will be processed to hundreds of thousands of chips, and the quality of wafer will be tested. Defect detection. HGTECH laser semiconductor wafer defect detection equipment detects the defects such as scratch, cracks, and uneven color of wafers and grains. Then the qualified chips that should have been applied in 3C and automobile electronic industry should go through the final step, packaging test. After laser marking on the wafer, the next process is laser cutting. Picosecond or nanosecond laser cutting equipment can cut wafer that full of chips. When cutting, the laser beam with penetrating characteristics will form small cracks inside of chips. Then, the crack will stand to the surface of the wafer so that the laser cut the chips apart. After cutting, the single chip shall be loaded onto the IC carrier with the sealing material and lead wire, which makes the final chips. In the process of IC carrier production, high-precision laser process integrated X-ray to read the mark code in the inner layer that have been overlapped and identify the mark on the position of the defective board, which can assist the product quality tracing. Only qualified IC carrier will be packed to chips. It is impossible to detect the extremely small and precise IC carrier by eyes. HGTECH IC carrier laser X-out marking equipment with CCD of high-speed recognition and real-time image capture is able to detect the defective units by pattern matching positioning, analysis, and comparative calculation. After inspection of IC carrier, HGTECH IC carrier automatic sorting and packaging production line, automatic identification, sorting and packaging of products, able to connect automatic logistic and warehouse system. With the help of one operator, one can achieve the integrated production line and traceability management. The packaging and testing factory will package the wafers onto the eligible carrier, which is the final chip that applied in the advanced frontier. At present, HGTECH is the only laser manufacturer that can develop both IC carrier marking, X-out marking, and automatic sorting and packaging production line in China. Chip intelligence manufacturing in China needs powerful technology of automatic and intelligent sensing solutions to be prominent in the Chinese chip manufacturing industry.